Let me show you an easy way to find Wi-Fi password from the network you are connected to. Right-click on your Wi-Fi. Open Network Internet Settings. Click on Change Adapter Options. Right-click on Wi-Fi and select Status. Go to Wireless Properties. Go to Tab and select Security. On the Network Security key, check Show Characters. It will show the Wi-Fi password from network you are connected. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you posted on my latest video upload. Thank you.